The easiest way to get cinematic footage as a beginner. Every beginner asks the same question. How do I make footage look cinematic? And every forum, every YouTube video, every pro filmmaker gives the same exhausting answers. Buy a full frame camera, shoot in log, grade with LUTs, master dynamic range. Well, guess what? You don't need any of that crap. If you're serious about becoming a filmmaker, hit that subscribe button. You'll fit in well here. The easiest way to get cinematic footage doesn't cost $5,000. It doesn't even require new gear. It just takes some basic tricks that anyone can do. And today, I'm showing you how. It's not about the camera, it's about control. Cinematic doesn't mean expensive, it means controlled. Controlling your light, controlling your frame, and controlling your movement. A $500 camera with control looks better than a $5,000 one on autopilot. The secret weapon, depth. Instant cinematic vibes create depth. Flat shots scream student film. Layered shots screams cinema. How do you add depth? Put something in the foreground, a lamp, a doorway, a railing. Keep your subject in the midground. Let the background breathe. Lights, windows, and the set design. 3 layers equals instant professional look, even if you're shooting on an iPhone. Lighting keeps it simple. Cinematic lighting isn't about blasting your scene with LEDs. It's about shaping shadows. Kill the overheads. They flatten everything. Use one light off to the side, which equals instant drama. Bounce it off a wall or ceiling for softness. Add a lamp or practical in the background for vibe. One light, one bounce, one lamp equals chef's kiss of cinematic. By the way, if you're serious about filmmaking and want to skip a lot of the trial and error that I went through, I put everything I learned into Freedom Filmmakers. It's our online film school for aspiring filmmakers. Simple, no BS lessons on writing, shooting, and actually getting better. You get lifetime access, full customer support, and honestly, you also get me as a resource if you need advice, feedback, or just someone to point you in the right direction. Or therapy. I got you for that too. Check it out in the description below if you're interested. Slow is sexy. Here's where beginners mess up. They think cinematic means shaky handheld chaos. Nope. Cinematic equals intentional. Slow pans. Smooth push-ins. Subtle, handheld with purpose. If your camera looks like it's on a roller coaster, your audience feels like puking, not like watching a movie. And if you don't own a gimbal, grab a tripod, a chair with wheels, or just walk steady. Movement doesn't cost money, it costs patience. Or use in-body camera stabilization, like a lot of modern cameras have today, in the body or in the lens. Frame it like a pro. Composition is the cheapest cinematic hack in the world. Rule of thirds. Keep your subject off center. Leading lines, doorways, hallways, roads guide the eye. Headroom, too much looks amateur. Tight framing looks cinematic. You don't need expensive lenses. You need to stop framing everything like a TikTok selfie. Color and mood. Want your footage to pop without buying LUT packs? Match your light color. Don't mix warm lamps with blue daylight unless it's intentional. Add a little contrast in editing. Crush the blacks and bring down the highlights. Warm tones feel nostalgic. Cold ones feel harsh. Color equals emotion, and emotion equals cinematic. Sound makes your footage feel expensive. This one's a little sneaky. Visuals only feel cinematic when sound supports them. Add ambient noise, wind, city, or birds. Use subtle sound design under shots. Make music choices can turn boring shots into cinematic gold. Or comedy gold, depending on what you're going for. Bad sound kills good footage. Good sound makes even average shots feel polished. So here's your beginner checklist. Let's break it down. Beginner style. Depth equals foreground, midground, and background. Lighting, one source. Shape shadows, kill overheads. Movement, slow, intentional, steady. Composition, frame like a filmmaker, not a vlogger. The world already has enough of those. Color, keep it consistent. Use it for mood. Sound, don't ignore it. Do this and you'll get cinematic footage on literally any camera you own. Cinematic isn't a camera setting, guys. It's how you use the tools you've got. So stop waiting until you can upgrade your gear. Grab whatever you can right now. Your Canon, your Sony, your iPhone, your toaster, your Nintendo DS, and start shooting like a filmmaker. Because the easiest way to make cinematic footage isn't about money, it's about control. Now go make something look bad. We'll see you in the next one.